Okay, so let me talk about two things. First of all, it's about the education of our students who are going to get their Doctor of Pharmacy degree. So one of the things that has really struck me in the last few years is that the role of the pharmacist has changed tremendously. So now, instead of a pharmacist being a staff pharmacist at Walgreens or Rite Aid or CVS, there's a number of different career options that are open. They can go to the FDA, they can go into industry, they can be part of the corporate ladder in one of the retail pharmacies, they can do research, they can go into academia. So we need to make sure that our students are prepared for any of these career options. And to do that, we've started a number of certificate programs, entrepreneurship, business management, research. We have an accelerated Masters in Public Health program. So this opens up opportunities that weren't there before. And finally, we're also making sure that our students have the option to talk to people face-to-face or over the telephone beginning in their first year, because pharmacists are now going to be an integral part of the healthcare team. They're going to be the people who understand drug therapy. And so with people now on 5, 6, 7 different medications, usually prescribed by 5, 6, 7 doctors, none of whom talk to each other, it's the pharmacist who's going to have to consult with people about whether that group of medications is correct for them and the dosage is correct. So half our school is doing that, and the other half of our school is involved in research, and that research is very broad. Everything from the microbiome to immunology to structure-based drug design, and my personal interest, which is developing drugs for neglected tropical diseases. I'll just tell you a bit about this because to me it's really important that a public university be the place to develop drugs for what are called neglected diseases. Neglected because there's no interest in the pharmaceutical industry, because these are diseases of poor people in poor regions of the world. So we've taken it upon ourselves to try to not only discover, but also develop new drugs. And we brought together a team to do that. And that is, for me, the other aspect of the future of our school, is expanding this effort to involve departments, faculty, schools throughout our campus.